So hey everybody, and today I'm going to be doing like another wee vlog style video. Like I get like a lot of people asking me to do these types of videos, and I'm always like, oh my god, but my life is literally so boring. I'm either just like doing work related stuff or chilling out in the house, tidying up, chilling, doing random different things. But like today I thought I would do a vlog because I'm hoping to do a couple of videos here soon, and I want to show you bits and bobs. And then I also have a parcel that I got that I think is from AX1, but it says on it to film it whilst opening the box, so I feel like I'm gonna do that on camera today. And yeah, and if you're wondering where this bra is from, it's like a sports bra from Sasky. It's Tammy Hembrow's like sporty gymwear collection, and then I'm just wearing these leggings from Primark. But I just love this bralette, it's so comfy. It has like nice padding in it, so it gives you really good support, and it's a really good material as well. So pretty much I'm just lying here with my wee doggy, so cute. So I'm gonna get ready to film soon, and yeah, and I'm sorry about my skin, it's so bad recently. Arthur actually can't get down the stairs yet, so every time I go downstairs he has to come with me. I'll give you guys a wee tour of our hallway here because we recently got like new little bits installed in our little hallway area. So we got this mirror here which is from Argos, circle mirror, and then we got this wee unit here from Argos as well, which is perfect. This here needs to go back to Anthony's parents' house because she lent us this for Christmas time. And then we just have like random bits and bobs in these drawers, like nothing special yet. A random inhaler because I have asthma. This here my friend Morgan got me for my birthday. My friend Morgan also got me this for my birthday. I think it's from New Look, I think, I'm not too sure. And then I also have this like reed diffuser thing. And then this wee key thing, it's actually meant to be like long ways to hang your coats on, but we just keep it here as like a little like decoration thing. And then that's just up our stairs. But yeah. And then on this side we have little pictures from Desio Prince or something, I think it's called. I'll link it down below. And then we have like this copper light lampshade, if you can see it. So I've just stuck on this wee jumper here because I'm going to go outside and get the parcel from my car, and then I'll come in and open it for you guys on camera. Right, okay, so here's the parcel here. It's like this long box, so I'm going to open it on camera to see what it is. I'm really excited to see because I'm like, oh my gosh, what could it be? Any certain way you have to open it or anything? So I'll just open it normally, like how I would normally open a parcel. I feel like I'm doing like an unboxing video or something. But it literally says on it, you may want to film this unboxing. So I was like, right, scared. Imagine like something scary pop out or something like that. Okay, so there's like a wee letter here at the top of the package saying, hey Chloe, exciting news, we're launching into Boots on the 17th of January, so we're sending you the party package to celebrate, maybe? Parcel? I'm not sure what that says, but that's the wee letter. Okay, so holy crap, oh my gosh. Hit me baby, I'm a pinata, it says on it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yay, AX1 is out in Boots. I love the AX1 foundations, by the way. Oh my god, this is amazing. I feel so mad right now sitting doing this on my own in my own house. My dog's gonna have a breakdown at me doing this. Holy crap, right. What bit do you hit? Like literally, what bit do you hit? I cannot get this open. Arthur's literally standing down there being like, what the hell is going on? Instead of actually wasting like so much of my energy, like the very little energy that I do have, because today I feel so tired, I'm just gonna open it up. Okay, so this is what's inside. Oh my god, I see sweets. Wow, oh my gosh. Okay, so I take it these are some of the foundation shades here. But guys, can we just appreciate all these little bits of candy? Like me and my boyfriend will be in such a glorious mood later with all these wee bits. Oh my gosh, remember these little burger things? Holy crap. Thank you so much AX1 and Boots for that. Like that's insane. Like parcels like that are so like current and just amazing. Like they're just so fun, and I'm so out of breath after trying to actually like burst that thing. Oh my gosh. So I'm supposed to be getting ready to film, but I just want to show you the shades that they have sent me out. So I got 6.0, which is this wee one. And then they also sent me out 8.0, which is slightly darker. And then they also sent me out 7.0, which is like obviously like an in-between sort of shade. And I love these foundations because they're such a gorgeous undertone. Like they're really yellowy and olivey, like they're not pink at all, so they suit like me down to a T whenever I wear fake tan and stuff. So they're the three shades they sent me out. So thank you so much to AX1 and Boots for doing that. Like that was so thoughtful and cute, and I was just so excited to do this vlog today, just to do that on camera, because I don't think I've ever done like an unboxing filming myself like opening things on camera before. So thank you guys so much for that. What I do now is just set up my little filming filming area here and film. I cannot stop looking at this spot on my chin. Okay, so what I'm going to do is set up my little filming area and film my testing out Primark video, which I'm so excited to do because I feel like I haven't done a full testing video in like forever, or whether or not I've even did one or not before. So I went to Primark the other day and got a couple of bits, so I will show you a little sneak peek whenever I finish, and then I'll leave a card to the video like above here or something, and you can just click it, or in the description box below. So here's some of the wee bits I got. I got some sewing cream, some brushes, eyeshadows, liquid lipsticks, cream highlighters, an eyebrow product. So I'm just really excited to see like if all this actually works and looks good on my skin. So whenever I've actually finished filming this video, I'll come back on and I'll show you guys what the finished look looks like, and then you can go and watch the actual video. Oh my gosh, bless me. And then you can go and watch the other video. So guys, this is the look that I just created. It's not one of my favourite makeup looks that I've ever done because I don't really like this dark brown lip, but I just wanted to do something like semi-dramatic so that I could thoroughly proper try out the Primark makeup. And if you guys want to see my thoughts, if the video's up already, I'll leave it down below in the description, but if not, then just hang fire, it'll be the one after this. But yeah, I don't really want to give like whether or not I like this makeup look away, but oh, my eyelashes like falling off. Oh my god. Yeah, one thing I will say is I love this highlighter. Guys, look how cute my big dressing gown is that my boyfriend got me for Christmas. It's like a little unicorn head. It's gorgeous. Hello, wee man. Come on. But I think I'm going to end this vlog here. Like, this is just a casual, chilled out day of mine. It's just obviously something to upload for you guys to see. Like, I asked, like, if you... Oh my gosh. I asked if you guys wanted to see a vlog or the Primark video. So I'm going to edit this one first and see how it goes. And then I'll let you know what I'm going to upload. Obviously if you're watching this on YouTube, you're obviously watching it now, so I've obviously decided to upload this one. But yeah, comment down below and let me know if you want me to do more like chilled out vlogs with me and the dog, in the house tours, Q&As, makeup collection, anything like that. So yeah, I'm just going to work away now and edit, and then probably get my boyfriend from work soon, and then have dinner and chill out and probably eat chocolate, crisps, everything. But yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!